Hey guys, just wanted to show what's happening in the fan workshop again, since I am visiting my grandma's house and there's only like a few updates. The Laguna hasn't really changed that much, except for we hooked it up, but even though it's unplugged, we tried plugging it in and it doesn't work. So I think someday, hopefully this weekend, we're gonna troubleshoot it and try to find out why it's not working. I also added this long bell pull chain. But yeah. There's the Genoa. Bought this round globe for it at Home Depot. It's not original, but it still looks pretty good. I got the fan itself at Habitat. The Genoa costed $10, but the globe cost $11. So the globe costed more than the fan. I still thought it looks pretty good on it, so I just couldn't really deny the globe. Also, the original globe that it came with was cracked, and then I pulled the light pull chain once, and then like the part that was cracked fell off. So I just decided I'd get a new globe for it. I brought some more parts over. 2 days ago, I think, I brought these over, the Olympia down rod. Oh, there's my dog Marley. How you doing, Marley?
This in his mouth.
Oh, my dog ate a screwdriver. Okay, I'll put that right here. And the Olympia screws. Also, the Olympias are, well, yeah, I'll talk about that in a second. Montgomery Ward Evergo spinner blades, Unknown Builder globe, Unknown Builder extra blade, which is the 5th blade that I'm currently using for, Montgomery Ward Evergo shades, I honestly don't know what kind of spinner that is, but I'm just gonna call it Gulf Coast Showboat blade brackets, Gulf Coast Showboat mounting bracket, Gulf Coast Showboat canopy, and cover. I currently have a light kit on it though. Inside the canopy, it's so rusted though. Olympia brackets, Unknown Builder extra blade bracket, Unknown Builder canopy, Gulf Coast Showboat blades, and yeah. And then over here, I got Gulf Coast Showboat Delta 2, Montgomery Ward Evergo, and Olympia Medalist, which is, I honestly don't know if this is, well, I'm just going to call it rare since I've only seen Olympia Medalist builders, but this is a 6-blade ornate model, which I believe is pretty uncommon. Also up here, I got the builder. Let's demonstrate it quickly. But yeah, it's pretty wobbly. Oh, there's a Hampton Made written box. I'll make a video of that sometime soon. Anyway, off for you. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the few updates that I've made. Oh, there's a light too, which, anyway, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed.